Getting 5,000 followers on Facebook is quite easy, and I'll be showing you how to do this. Now, there are two ways to go about this. The first method is to go to facebook.com and sign up. All right, put in your email address, phone number, password, and create another account. Now, if you already have a Facebook account or a Facebook page, you don't need to do this. But if you want to do it, this is the faster method. Just create a new account. But do not use the same browser to create that new account or the same mobile phone, so you don't just mix things up. Once you've set up your new account, follow these next steps. My name is Charles. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your new Facebook account, what you can do or what you have to do next is to train your Facebook account. All right, and I'll show you how to do that. What we are going to do is to click on profile, and then we're going to click on about and add our profile details. Now, if you don't have a profile picture, all you can do is to click on your profile picture here and upload a profile picture. Now, you need to upload a very good picture, right? And the next thing you need to do is to upload a cover image. If you don't have a cover image, choose a cover image and upload. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to bother about cover image, but you need to upload the cover image and set up your profile properly. Your image and your cover image are two important things that you need to do if you're trying to set up your profile. The next thing you're going to do is to set up your about. All right, edit your profile, set up your overview, add a workplace, add a high school. You can add a workplace, and if you don't want to do that, it's fine. And then add a college, add a current city. Now, this next part is very important. Add a current city. You can add Lagos, Abuja, United States, London, depending on where you think your audience resides. Now, we are trying to train this Facebook account so that Facebook would know the kind of people to recommend to us and the kind of people to show our content to. All right, so just think of where you want your content to reach, the kind of people. So you can enter Lagos, Abuja, or London, whatever you want to do. And another thing you should think of also, in case if you're a business, think about, okay, where are my customers? Where do you want to get customers from? And you enter the city. You can say Lagos, London, choose Lagos, Nigeria. When you choose Lagos, Nigeria, and then you save it. Then the next thing to enter is hometown. If you're from Port Harcourt, from Rivers State, if you're from Ghana, just put in the hometown. And it's also going to help Facebook tell Facebook, more about you and how to treat your profile or your page. Once you have all these details put, your hometown, your current city, the next thing you want to do is you go to your work and education, and then you add a workplace. You add college, you add high school if you want to, but you don't need to do this part. The most important part is the location, all right? And we have treated that. Another important part is places lived. Now, all these things will tell Facebook, oh, this is where I'm from, all right? This is where I have my friends. Now, you add the current city, the places that you've lived in, add the current city you live in right now. Facebook is going to use that information, okay? Like I said, add the hometown, add the city. Once you have done that, you save it. And then the next thing you want to add is your contact information. You can add your website, add social link and all that. Just keep the contact and basic info. Or the next important part that you need to add, now you want to write details about yourself. Write something that tells people about your page, the kind of content that you want to create or the kind of content that you're creating, and then add the pronunciation, other names and all that.
I've been hearing from a lot of people who want to start their own thing, like a clothing brand or a print-on-demand business, but keep running into the same problem. Design. It's either it's too expensive to get someone to create a professional design, or they end up downloading some basic software that doesn't just give them what they need. That's actually why I wanted to mention this tool I found called Kittl. It's an all-in-one design tool that makes creating high quality designs super accessible, whether it's t-shirt designs, posters, logos, invitations, stickers, or social media posts. They've got professional ready-made templates that you can edit and use right away. You don't need to start from scratch or have any fancy design skills. These templates give you a solid foundation, making it simple to create a design that actually looks professional. You can create an account for free. Just use the link in the description to create an account. Once you're logged in, you can search for any design. Let's say you want to create a logo, you can search for a logo, pick the one that you want and start customizing. You can swap colors, change fonts, resize elements. Everything you need is just a click away. Now, there are some other features that stand out on Kittl, like the advanced text effects that you would see on like top tier design tools. You want to create retro, bold, or 3D textiles, it's all in here. They've also got a massive library of design assets. I mean, icons, illustrations, shapes, all ready to drop into your design. No need to search around the internet for the perfect graphic to use, right? And it doesn't stop there. Kittl's got these AI features that make your life so much easier. Want to generate images? Done. Remove a background? Done. Vectorize a logo? Done. Let's say we want to generate an image. We enter this prompt, African design, click on generate, boom, we have our image. And what you can do is to take this image and throw up in a mockup. We click on mockup and then we'll see exactly how it will look on a t-shirt, hoodie, or any product that we want. And boom, you see how this looks. Very beautiful and ready for you to use. Kittl is fresh, it's got that modern vibe, and the drag and drop editor means that you're not wasting your time learning complicated tools. You're creating right away. So if you're ready to start creating, try Kittl for free using my link in the description. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create designs that actually look like they were made by a pro.
All right, we are done with this first part, which is setting up the profile properly. The next part is very important, it's very crucial. You're going to click on groups. We are going to search for group. Okay, now before you search for any group, you need to understand this particular area. If you're going to be posting content about food, maybe you're a cook and stuff, you're going to be doing that. What you want to do is to search for recipes, and then you're going to see different groups about recipes and all that. What you want to do is to join those groups, or you're going to search for restaurants. People that reside in restaurants would want to, watch content that is related to food. So you want to join these groups, join as many as possible, search for any group that is related to the kind of content that you think you'll be creating or that you'll be creating. If you're going to be doing business, you search for business, search for online business, and then you can see different groups concerning that has to do with online business opportunity, online business, best online business ads. Just join as many as possible. I explain why joining these groups are important. Okay, so another thing you can search for if you're doing business is market, and you can see small business market, everyday buy and sell market. Just join groups related to the kind of content that you think you'll be creating. Now once you have done this, your Facebook is going to understand the kind of people to show your content to. So Facebook is going to show your content to people that are interested in, for example, cooking, restaurants and stuff like that. If you're doing business, Facebook is going to show your video to people that are interested in businesses. All right, just join as much as possible, join groups every day, join these. You can see, if you just join this particular group, join as many as possible. But if your account is a new account, you don't want to do this back to back. You just want to give space, just do a bit day one, and then the next day you do a bit, and then the next day you do a bit. That's why I say it's going to take at least 2 weeks to get these followers. But I'm going to drive to the next part, which is how to get the 5,000 followers. Right now, we are going to do one next thing, which is important. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on friends. When you click on friends, you see suggestions that Facebook are giving to you, and what you have to do is to follow these people. All right, add them as friends. Just keep adding as much as possible based on the groups that you've followed and the content that you've interacted with. Facebook is going to recommend people that are interested in that same content. Facebook is going to recommend people that live in the same area as you do. So what you're going to do now is to add people. Now remember, you created a new Facebook account and there is nothing on your account. You don't have any friends or you don't have any followers and stuff like that. So you're going to add all these people as friends, add as much as possible, but don't overdo it. Okay, if you already have a Facebook account, okay, you're not left out on this. So you can also retrain Facebook to show your content to people that are interested in the kind of content that you create. Okay, so what you're going to do is to go to your profile and do the exact same thing that I showed. Change your location to where you want your content to be seen, change your basic info, and also join groups related to the type of content that you create. If you think people in that particular group or in a particular group would enjoy the kind of content you create, then join groups similar to that kind of group. Remove yourself from groups that don't matter. Okay, so you can retrain Facebook by adding people in those groups or in the same area that you stay. All right, you'll see that people will watch your content more. You'll get more views on your content. Now, how would you translate this now to followers? So if you already have a Facebook account and you don't want to create a new account, you just add up new friends to get up to 5,000 within the space of 1 week. And you can do this in just 1 week or just like 10 days, you can just get the number of followers that you want, or the number of friends. You can take it up to 5,000 friends. Once it gets to 5,000 friends, you turn your profile from a personal account to a professional account. And how do you do that? I'm going to explain that shortly. So for this particular account, it has already been changed. I've already changed it to professional account. So I'm going to check my other account to do this. So once you've added the friends and it has gotten up to 5,000 friends, you can see this has gotten up to 5,000 friends. What you're going to do is to click these three dots here, click on it, and then scroll down and click on turn on professional mode. So once you click on turn on professional mode, Facebook is going to switch your account. It's going to turn your account to a professional account, and those 5,000 friends will turn into 5,000 followers. And the great thing about this particular strategy, the friends you've added are already in the type of content that you'll be creating, because you already trained Facebook to show your content to a specific kind of people. And that's why it's important to add people interested in what you want, not just adding different people or joining random groups. It has to be with a purpose. All right, as you can see, it's straightforward. If you have any questions or anything, just drop it in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to people that you love. Share this value. Don't just enjoy something alone, don't gatekeep. And I made this video for you. You want to check it out. I'll see you here.